Hello, Mark Laudi here, coming to you live from Innovfest Unbound 2018 at the Sands Convention and Exhibition Centre here in Singapore. And at the Accenture exhibit, one of the things that's always of interest is digital, and the head of Accenture Digital, Patrick de Moustier, has just walked in. Hi Patrick, good of you to make it.
Good to see you.
Good to see you again. How are things?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
So you've got 50 of the top entrepreneurs and startups here, the Unbound 50 ASEAN, but it's obviously not just about the startups, it's also about the large established companies. When you guys at Accenture talk about, innovation with a purpose, what does that really mean?
So innovation with a purpose is to have an impact on our client business, and it basically is to switch from the what to the why and try to understand why people do things, right? It's really to understand what do the customer like, why do they like it, and try to really understand that using artificial intelligence, data mining, and big data.
But don't the companies get that already? I mean, do they really invest in technology for the sake of it? Do they really need to know why they're doing it still?
You will be surprised and to realize how much companies are mature about technology and about artificial intelligence. But the thing is that it's not about technology. It's about building the best use case and the best business case using the best technology. We make the technology understandable for our client, and we make the technology barrier to entry very, very low for our client. It's not about technology, it's about building new business case, improving efficiency, shaping new business models, shaping new products using this technology.
One of the biggest problems your clients have is they don't know where to invest. Because whatever you invest in today, 3 months later, it's already past the trend. The investment's already outdated.
Yeah, it passed the trend, but it does deliver value, and there is no finish line for innovation. Innovation is a process and it's a never-ending story, but it's a very fascinating one and very interesting one. And this is why we partner with our client to help them to keep evolving and to keep innovating and to keep shaping and modernizing their infrastructure, their technologies, their processes, and other stuff. It's a never-ending process, but it's a very, very exciting one.
Yes. How has your job changed? What sort of problems are your customers coming to you now with? What are the sort of solutions that you can offer them?
So my job has changed a lot because I need to focus a lot on communication and on education, right? And the main challenge that most of our clients face is not technology, but it's culture change. It's about changing their organization and their structure, how they work, the different processes and things like that. So we need to communicate and to keep communicating and to over-communicate to educate our client on how to leverage new technology to shape their processes and improve their organization.
All right. So just take us into the tent, just secretly here between us and the viewers.
Okay.
What is the latest thing that you're working on? What's the huge innovation that you're working on?
So the other things we are working on at Accenture in my group is something we call customer genome, which is basically it's shifting from the what to the why, and it's really to understand why people do something. What defines an individual? It's like a gene. So for instance, my gene is triathlon, bicycle, black, leadership, and things like that. And knowing all these things, then a system, an intelligent system, can propose me services and products that are much more relevant to me. I am 50 plus, I am Caucasian or something like that. So switching from the what to the why and understanding the why and proposing more meaningful service. And by doing that, improving the customer experience and creating a self-propelled experience and a better experience for everyone.
Right, awesome. We'll let you get on with it. Thank you again for being with us today. Patrick de Moustier from Accenture and focusing on digital in particular. If you are watching this live, if you have a question for Patrick, you can put it on the Twitter feed. Accenture ASEAN is the handle, and we'll get him to answer it for you. If you're watching the recorded version of this, it might not be too late to join us here at the the Accenture exhibit at the Innovfest Unbound 2018. I'm Mark Laudi. I'll see you again in a few more minutes with another live report from the Sands Convention and Exhibition Centre.